In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hours on Square appointments. Managing your business hours efficiently is crucial for ensuring that your customers know exactly when you're open and available. Whether you're adjusting for seasonal changes or just tweaking your schedule, changing your business hours on Square appointments is a simple process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. To begin, you'll need to open the Square Appointments website. If you're not already logged in, click on the Sign In button and enter your account details. This will take you to your dashboard, the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your business operations. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top left corner and click on your store name. This is where you'll be able to access various settings related to your account. After clicking your store name, you'll want to select Account and Settings. Within this menu, click on My Business and then choose Locations. This section allows you to manage the different locations associated with your business. You'll see a list of all your locations. Click on the specific location where you'd like to change the hours. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct location, especially if you manage multiple storefronts or service areas. Once you've clicked on the location, look for the Edit Location option. This is your gateway to customizing the details of your chosen business site. Now scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Regular Hours. Here you can define your business days and set your opening and closing times. Be mindful of the times you input to accurately reflect your operational hours. You may want to check your previous settings to avoid any overlap or discrepancies that might confuse customers. Once you've made your adjustments, review your changes to ensure everything is set correctly. Finally, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. This step is crucial because if you don't click Save, your modifications won't be updated and your hours will remain unchanged. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process to update your business hours on Square Appointments. By keeping your hours up to date, you're ensuring your customers can accurately plan their visits and book appointments at times that suit them best. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps streamline your scheduling process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.